Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a quick cast aluminium welding repair. This was a love job for a mate on a Friday night. The instructions were to get it welded for him so he could do the final shaping, sanding, drilling, etc. Ideally I would suggest completely disassembling anything prior to welding, but in this case, some people just can't be told. Please note I'm a self-taught welder, so any tips, tricks and encouragement definitely welcome. Thanks for watching.
I'm high off a round of applause, taking the cash to deposit. All of that talking is polished. Straight out the gate, they sing praise, but I'm unapproachable, saving. Can't tell me shit, I've been on one. Losing my grip and I'm slipping. We still alive, but ain't living. Anxiety fought through to cripple me. Your car's going missing. The devil busy, he tempt me. Too much elixir, my enemy. In my mind, it's like 10 of me. They don't sound like your symphony. Sucking all of my energy. I'm not asking for empathy. Unless it's for the babies of the street, they a product of colic. Reality is running up to rob me of my sleep. The world been cold as gravity is pushing down. It's hard to breathe. Still it's solid on one knee. My pen is hollow, let it bleed. Trying to convince me that you give a fuck about my needs. How you finna fix the issue y'all don't even see? You can miss me with them empty gestures. I do more to get by without it. I'm a living legend. You say you was right to die. I'ma need you by my side. I've been living on the edge, just trying to get it together. Tell me, can you hold me down? Tell me, can you hold me down? I could really use your presence. Give mine in return. I know everything been hella hectic, but that body so angelic. Pull up quick, make you forget things for a minute. Take it slowly when I'm in it. Feel the flow, take all the tension that you pent up, then expend it. Don't pretend like you ain't worth way more than everything I got. You need to stop it. When I'm with you, it's no limitation. You playing games, give me attention, then you real evasive. But I'm no better, I've been guarded. No, my rap sheet isn't flawless. Pull some slick shit, got you on my line, live it. I'm not careful with your feelings all the time, the way I should be. I need you to hold me down, I wanna drown in what we could be. I could be your safe space, you tug on my emotions while I'm giving you that grade A. Before we go another round, here come a fight, you rather melee. I could be your only fan, help me compose a new plan. I'm out of rope, girl, I'm so sick of sleeping on each other. I found the pieces to my puzzle on the sheets. I bet our story be the best thing a nigga ever published. I wanna know you trust me, everything been going up, but I ain't seen you in a minute. Know the topic real touchy, the grind real stressful. Know you fine, but you special, intertwined in my thoughts, the way I'm living in the moment. It's hard to come correct before I know it. I'm outside, I'm in the flesh like I never left. You say you was right to die. I'ma need you by my side. I've been living on the edge, just trying to get it together. Tell me, can you hold me down? Tell me, can you hold me down? Can you show me something? Yeah. We've been out of touch lately. Oh yeah, you're so overdue on me. Yeah. Can you slide in the moonlight? Taking the cash to deposit. All of that talking is polished. Straight out the gate, they sing praise, but I'm unapproachable, saving. Can't tell me shit, I've been on one. Losing my grip and I'm slipping. We still alive, but ain't living. Anxiety fought through to cripple me. Your car's going missing. The devil busy, he